Hi, I am Geetanta. I am studying Om Narayana English Medium High School. Today we are celebrate Science Day. My project name is DNA structure. Aim: the structure of DNA molecules contain the genetic instruction for all living organisms. Structure: the bases adenine A, cytosine C, guanine A, and thymine T. Attached to this sugar group, DNA is made up of two strands that twist around each other to form double helix. Conclusion: DNA is a basis for life, reproduction, and health. Structure of DNA: A. Adenine, T. Thymine, C. Cytosine, G. Guanine. Thanks for watching.